When someone shares a PAT-based report with you, they want you to see the details of relevant patent documents. But what if you want to see even more information around the patent? In each PAT-based export, the patent family or publication numbers link to the PAT-based Family Explorer. You can open this module without a PAT-based subscription. Here you can view the whole patent family in detail and review the full text. We'll show you how. Click on any hyperlinked number in a shared file. This should take you to a family information page that looks like this. On the left-hand side is a menu of all publications in the patent family. These links open pages with the publication's full text and other data. At the top of this page, you will see the PAT-based family number and the weeks the family was updated in the PAT-based database, in the format starting with the 2-digit year, followed by the 2-digit week number. Below is a detailed list of all publications in this family, including key information such as the publication and application numbers and dates, as well as the week it was updated in PAT-base. Navigate to the publication list on the left-hand side of this module to view the publication information in detail. Clicking on any of the publication numbers will open the bibliographic data in the main window. Review all publication information available by scrolling down this section or jump to the different parts of the publication using the buttons in the header. In addition to this detailed information from PAT-base, at the top of the page there are links provided to ISPASnet, USPTO and PatentScope where available. You can also view the original document by clicking on this link next to the publication number. Share or export this publication information by selecting the buttons in the top right-hand corner. Want to see even more legal status information for the entire family? Scroll down the left side menu and open the Legal Information browser to review this data in more detail. Click on the Priority Map, Legal Status Table, Timeline or Reassignments links. Find more details about the family assignees, agents, inventors or examiners when selecting these links in the Breakdown by Publication section in the menu. For even more patent search and review abilities, get in touch with info@mindsoft.com to register for a free PAT-based trial. Thank you for watching.